been using the current user stored in the session, right? When we are navigating to a profile page, and right, and then using that information to store the value in a current user object to display in the profile. All right, so how about once we have logged in, we would like to maybe log out, right, and then try to log in again, right? So we have registered, we are the current user, right, and now we want to, we're done with our profile. It's the end of the day. I want to log out, and then maybe tomorrow I'll log back in. So let's do that, right? So let's add here a function to log out in our profile. I'm in the profile. So log out. So it's just a function, and we're going to call it from our HTML. And here, let's create a button. Oops. Oops. Let's see. Let's on the client. Let's create a button here. Button, and this might be log out, and maybe this can have it'll be a button, and this would be maybe red, okay? And then we'll tie this to the logout function, like that. Okay. So what do we do in the logout function? What we're going to do is that we're going to call an API, right, that we have on the server that does just that. Here's their logout. It's going to destroy the session, and what we're going to do is that we're going to post to this logout. So let's do that. We're going to say we're going to do a fetch. Now all this you would do in a service, right? You would never do this right here in the component, right? It's a bad practice, but me, for brevity, I'm doing it here. We're going to do a logout, okay? And then we're going to do the method is going to be a post. We're going to do credentials, right? We're going to pass in all those credentials. We're all participating in the same cookie. That's it, right? We don't need to pass anything else. Then it's going to come back with a status, I believe. Right? Log out comes back with a status of 200. So this is status. We're going to ignore it. We don't care. What we're going to do is that we want to navigate maybe to the home page because we've logged out. Right? We know when we know. Right? So we're going to navigate to the home page. To do that, we're going to need the router. So let's ask for the router, right, which will be injected, and then we can say this router navigate. We're going to navigate to the root, the home page. Okay, let's try that out. Right, so see, if we go to our profile page, notice that. Oops, sorry, did too fast. Let's do that. Let's register again. Let's register as ed, maybe ed register. Okay, continue. So we're in ed. If I refresh the screen, notice that we're still ed. So all that state is being stored on the server. The client is not remembering anything, right? It's the server. So we click on logout, and notice that we go here. If we go back to the profile page and I refresh my screen, notice that I don't have the information that ed is logged in as the current user, which is exactly what we want. Okay.